Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna make tube fenders on the Grand Cherokee, but we're gonna only use our basic tools. We're gonna have an angle grinder and a welder. So we're gonna try to make tube fenders on the Grand Cherokee with just using the basic tools. Well, this is where we're sitting. We welded this top piece into the unibody. So we cut this piece out here and we just formed this pipe into the unibody. This is some leftover pipe my dad had sitting at the shop. I believe it's for compressed air. But you know what? It's gonna be good enough for this job. So this is that top piece that we tacked in. Just did like a little 35 angle, some kind of angles. Yeah, angles. We're going with the angles. And burn that guy in there, but look at the look. It's like we got the angry eye going on. Just got this top piece tacked in for now. And then we just hammered that upward piece in there. But we're gonna tack that in. Tacked in place here, but my welder stopped working. What's going on? Oh yeah. What the? Never seen that happen before. Weird. So I guess I'll have to fix the welder before we move on. Well, I welded that bar into the unibody here. This unibody probably has a lot of strength, so I didn't really want to cut into it, but I'm thinking now it's going to be stronger. And then my plan is to cover all this up with the old Fender. So just stick with me. It's gonna look all right, I think. Well, now I want to put in a piece, you know, because triangles make everything stronger. So that looks like a nice triangle. So now we gotta try to get that piece in. And I think we're just gonna, since I don't have a tube notcher, I'm just gonna try this trick. So we're gonna try to notch. Come on, camera. Camera. So we're gonna try to notch this guy out using the angle grinder. See if we can make a trick. Good. I don't know what happened here. We got quite the gap. I measured long side, which was 17 inches, but yeah, I'm not sure. We're not going for like rollover status here. We're just building a fender because the old one was all rotted out. As you can see, we got some rust up here in Minnesota. So let's tack this in more, or let's just fill it in. And then down here, it's quite the gap. So we'll just fill it in with this. Visit you guys too. The weld that looks the best is going to be the one that's going to be covered. Down here, we did all right. Up here, that one looks beautiful, but the fender is going to cover that. Now moving on to the front, I'm kind of liking this, the angry eye look. But we got to fill in this gap. And I don't know if I want to tie into the bumper and do all this. So I'm trying to think of what I can do to fill in this area for the tube fender. Well, that's gonna be it for tonight. We got a little boy that wants to go sleepy. I think we made pretty good progress on the fender. I mean, it's starting to look like a fender. Like I said before, it's not gonna be for any, hardcore rollover status. It's more just to fill the gap in and kind of make a fender on the Jeep again. So that's it for tonight. I'll see you guys back in the morning. Or actually for you guys would be, a couple seconds. Well, we're back. It's the next day. And I have a plan. I cut up some cardboard. And this is the vision I have. What do you think? I'm gonna see if I have enough of the fender left, as these fenders were in pretty rough shape. I'm gonna see if I can cut enough of the fender out to put in that spot. Well, this is what we got going on. Not too optimistic about this. There's not too much material we're gonna be able to get off that fender. What do you guys think? It's not perfect, but it's gonna be good enough. I like the progress we made so far, so I think we're just gonna finish weld this, roll the Hey you, do you like the new look of the Cherokee? Well, that's it. We replaced the old broken up, beat up, rusted fenders and made some free tube fenders on the Grand Cherokee. It's just an off-roader. We have $0 in materials. It gives the Jeep a little bit better look. And remember, it's just an off-road vehicle. We're not going for big style points here. We're just gonna make it good enough to hit the woods. I'm gonna spare the time to show you the other side. I'm gonna cut up the other side and finish this project because in a couple days, we gotta hit the woods and do some off-roading. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you on the next one. As always, thanks for watching,